Welcome back to Chennai Cooking Channel. Today we are making aloo ka paratha. To make 6 parathas, I have boiled 2 potatoes, medium sized. I have added some salt and kept. After 4 to 5 whistles, let's switch off the flame now. Let's open the pressure cooker and check whether our potatoes are done. I think it's done very well. Let's allow the potatoes to cool for some time, around for 15 minutes. To make the potato stuffing, we need these ingredients. Some whole jeera, around 1 chopped green chili and 1 medium sized onion and some cilantro, that is coriander, and some dry masalas like turmeric powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, black pepper powder, chaat masala, and some red chili powder, some garam masala powder also. Our potatoes have come to the room temperature now. Let's mash our potatoes using a fork or spoon, or you can even use fingers also to mash the potatoes. And now I am adding the dry masalas all together, and the coriander leaves also I am adding, and we'll add all the ingredients: jeera, onions, green chilies, salt. Let's give a mix. Let's prepare our dough for parathas using wheat flour. Let's add some salt in the wheat flour and add some water gradually. Gradually we have to add it and knead the dough. Our dough is ready for parathas. Let's apply some oil and just keep it for rest. Made 6 medium sized balls. Let's roll our dough. Only a little we have to roll, and now let's keep our filling on the dough and let's fold it in this way and just remove the extra dough. Now let's adjust the paratha and slightly press it with fingers. Now let's apply some maida over it and start rolling it slowly. Always keep in mind that we had to roll this paratha very slowly. If you follow this method, you will get a very good paratha, and you will not feel any difficulty to roll this. Now I have kept the paratha over tawa. Let's flip it. Let's apply some oil. On both the sides of paratha. Actually, this paratha does not require any curry or side dish, because you can just eat it as a snack also, as an evening snack or breakfast, or in dinner also you can use it. It's very famous in North India. But yeah, it's easy to make and it doesn't require any side dish. Now our crispy aloo paratha is getting ready. Remove it from the tawa. Let's apply some butter over it. It's absolutely ready now. Now let's enjoy our aloo paratha. For such more interesting recipes, please subscribe to our channel and please take care. Thank you for watching.